Hello friends, I'm talking about final keyword. Final keyword can be used in final method. It will stop the method overriding. Final keyword used in variable, then it will stop value modification. That is, if the final keyword have assigned any value to a variable, then now we cannot modify value of a, that is a is equal to 5, will throw an error. Then if final keyword is used to stop a modification, as I have said. Then let's see how it works for a final class. It will stop inheritance. For example, final class of name parent is taken, then child class extends from the parent cannot be possible because we cannot change the final class, and it will stop an inheritance process always. So that's it. This is about the final keyword. Thank you.